Alright, welcome back. So today I will see whether we got any trade or not. If not, then it is what it is. But I will keep an eye in the market first to see whether we got a trade or not because we knew that we are in the election day, right? And the Trump already win, which means that we're gonna analyze the chart first. If we got any trade, I'll just take for it. Alright. But if it doesn't, then it is what it is. So we're gonna analyze the weekly first for two pair that I focusing on, main focusing which is GU and the EU. So we're gonna go for the EU first. So EU basically last week it just closed an order block and then I would say I wanna see a continuation down move as well. So when yesterday, I think it's the election day, the result coming in and the price just moved all the way back down to this area, this swing low, and this order block is not holding and being break below, become a breaker right there. So and also the price tap into this, I would say this order block and then rejection to the downside, which is a nice thing that we're looking at. And I would say we're gonna wait. Let's see we got any trade for that. Basically, if we saw the pips that is between the EU and GU, right? I'll say obviously the EU is just reject more than the GU. So I'll say EU is more bearish. I'll say EU is more bearish. But I wanna see whether we got any trade for that. We are waiting for price to tap inside this area, which is the breaker right there from markup. This one, this is our point of interest. You're gonna looking at this for sure. So we're gonna looking at this area right there. Oh, I wanna see the daily time frame first, the 4 hour time frame first, and one hour as well. So yesterday I didn't trade because of the election day. So today I'm back and let's see we got any trade for that basically. Basically we saw that yesterday, right? It does tap inside this high. It does tap inside this high, which is our daily high. It doesn't it just reject on this order block, right? Daily order block and then close all the way back down to this area. Anticipate a market shift right there. A continuation market shift to the downside as well. We can kind of like wait for price to comes to this point of interest. You know, uh, I'll I'll wait for the price to come to this level and see the reaction on this, right? So we're gonna wait first, basically. Not gonna, yeah, we're gonna wait for that basically. And we saw Asian basically just accumulation right there. And right now it's London opening in this range, right? We're gonna see whether the price is going to move up to this, break the Asian high, and then swap the liquidity, go to the downside. or it doesn't have the momentum to hit to the upside or break the Asian high, and just on this area and then reject to the downside, it might have the probability to do that. I'll say yes, it do have the probability to do that. But I'll just gonna looking at this area as our point of interest, right? So let's see. There's order block right there as well. This order block right there. Draw it out. Basically, it tap inside our order block. Our 15-minute order block. And if I use this candle as our order block, it already tapped inside. But what I'm waiting for is that I'm gonna wait for the Asian high, or let's see the Asian high whether it's gonna be taken out or not. If yes, then I will see the opportunity for that basically. Alright. I'll mark up our opening price first. Opening right there, I'll just expect this candle is gonna like accumulation to the upside and then manipulate, swap the yesterday daily low, right? Yesterday low right there should be good. But once again, I'll wanna see either it takes the Asian high or Asian low, right? If it doesn't take the Asian high and losing momentum on it, go to the downside, I would say it swap this liquidity and go to the downside, right? So it just anticipate a sell for me. If it doesn't take the Asian high first, go all the way back down, I'll say I'll just wanna looking for short. If it does break above the Asian high, I'll see the area being tapped inside first, and we decided want to buy or sell on that particular area. And I'm not gonna be, aggressive on the price. I just want to wait for the area being tapped inside. Basically, this one is 15-minute order block. We're gonna see this Asian high is gonna be taken out or not. This Asian high basically is an Asian high right there. Taken out, we're gonna see the reaction on this basically. I see a GU, right? But if I want to buy, right, I want to sell, right, I'll rather to consider to sell for EU rather than GU, because we saw that the rejection is real one. The real rejection, you see that? You see the daily rejection after this order block. See how much difference between GU and EU. We know that the the momentum for EU is more stronger for sell. I would say it's more stronger for sell. If we go to 4 hour, let's see the 4 hour difference, right? All right, let me plot out all the things first. All right. Quickly, we saw a rejection as well. EU as well, we got a rejection. But this one is seems like an order block right there. So this one is currently in a bullish candle. I'll say it's currently in bullish candle. And basically it just, yeah, it does tap inside this order block, but it does holding, the order block is just holding on this. If I want to buy, I'm not gonna buy for EU, but I will buy for GU. If I want to sell, I will sell for EU rather than GU. But this low being taken out, right? This low being taken out, swap the liquidity, go to upside. Let's see how the EU react on that low, basically. What low is it? Oh my god. Let me get let me get two of that so that I can analyze. Alright, should be good. Alright, alright, should be good right there. Basically, we're gonna see the 4 hour first, right? So 4 hour, this low is 31 October low. 31 October, what time is it? 9 p.m. 9 p.m. 31 October, right? So should be right there, right? 9 p.m. Oh, this low. Yeah, it do take the low right there, basically. Doesn't have SMT, but this one it just move, swept the low, swept the low, right? You see that? This low being swept and tap inside the daily order block, basically. Daily order block right there. This one is our daily order block, basically. And we basically, what we saw basically, let's see the Asian and the London, Asian session reaction, right? So Asian, like, oh my God, Asian, it just tapped to the upside. We saw a small market shift in Asian, basically. This one is our small market shift. Oh, if I want to buy, I will just buy for this rather than this one, I would say. It's currently like, it's good to see that basically, but we're gonna wait for the price to move to this level first, and we're gonna know that basically we got this 1 hour bearish order block. We're gonna know that. Take the, gonna take an eye on that. If it doesn't wanna take this high, I would say it's okay with that. We got a market shift right there. But in the fundamental side, I would say USD right now is more bullish because of Trump is winning the election. So the USD is more bullish. If combining with the USD more bullish, I would say are good for looking short. It's good for looking short, but it depends on how the reaction on that particular level first. And yeah, you know, but it's this one is holding on the order block, daily order block right there. All right, I'll wait for the close of that candle. If it does respect this and then break below this 1 hour order block, but this one bullish order block, I would say I can looking for short right there, which means that this one is not gonna take this high and it can be looking for short, you know. We're gonna see whether this one gonna take the high first or this one, right? This one Asian high right there. We got a market shift basically. This one, I'll say if it break above, I will not consider as a liquidity. I'll consider this one as my market shift. Alright? It'll break above the Asian high. But I wanna see whether the 15-minute level is going to be respected or not. 15-minute order block. And basically this high is what the high is it? I don't know this high is what. I just right, and this one basically is the daily, if not for yeah, daily power of interest, which is our breaker right there, basically. Daily breaker. It's good to see this one break the Asian high first rather than this, right? But in terms of the bullishness, I would say GBP USD is more bullish, basically. We saw that. Basically, we saw that. The bullishness of the GBP is more stronger. We see this candle close more bearish than this one. and we go for weekly, right? Weekly range, we saw that basically GBP is more bullish. You see that? This one's still in the bearish candle. You see how far between this and this, but this one is in the bullish. So if I want to take a bullish, I want to take a long, I will take a GBP USD, right? But I'm gonna wait for the reaction first, basically. It can be tapped inside and then rejection. Asian high right there. We got some liquidity in the high, but it do have the possibility that I analyzed wrongly or the market is not moved to the favor that I think for. But it is what it is, man. Once again, we're gonna wait for the reaction on that level. 1 hour on the block right there. Yeah, I think this one is taking the Asian high already. Yeah, it's taking the Asian high already. But I want to see the reaction when taking the Asian high, right? If it do have the momentum to close above, I'll say good for that. I'll say good for that. But I'm not gonna take this long basically. I'll take this rather than this. Although this one is wanna take the Asian high first because of the things that I'm looking at that I saw and looking at. This one is more bearish, basically in the higher time frame. Yep, this one is taking the Asian high. Asian high taking out 50 minute, 50 minute. You see how this react, you see? One, two candle to close above. You see how this candle, we need just one candle for overlap two candle on it. Should be good. This one is more bullish, I would say. Is if this one is holding on this area right there, I was sure, bro. I was sure for that, bro. This one is 1 hour, 30 minute and 30 minute on the block, basically. And 1 hour on the block as well. See how big this candle compare to this. See the volume of the candle, you know that. It do comes back down and react on that on the block as well. This one, it seems like it's gonna take the Asian high, but it just left some momentum for that basically. Still waiting for that. Yep, this one is taking the Asian high, but it haven't closed yet, right? It doesn't haven't closed yet. I gotta wait for the close basically. Right, wait for the reaction. Still waiting, still waiting. This one is already tapped into the point of interest that I'm looking at, which is the 50-minute order block. 50-minute order block that already rejection once. Do we have any SMT? I saw an SMT already, I think. I think I saw an SMT basically. Right, basically it's this high, Asian high and this high right there. Got an SMT basically. This Asian high already being taken out. We knew that. And we got an SMT right there. See this one? This one right there, we got an SMT. And this one as well, we got an SMT. This high to this high right there. So this one is moving lower. This one is breaking the high and tap into the area. Seems like it does want to break above the high, bro. If it does want to break above, this one is not gonna break above. I would wait for that to see the reaction first. Maybe, take some rest on it because it seems like not clear. This one is breaking the Asian high. This one is not breaking. I'll say we're gonna wait for that first. Not breaking the Asian high. This one is breaking the Asian high. We got an SMT right there, basically. If I want a shot, I will shot for this, but not this right now. Basically, with the SMT, we knew that. And we saw the 1 hour rejection as well. But in daily, I'll say this one is more bullish, bearish, I would say. Bearish. But it still have the possible flip down for this candle. In short term, I would say we saw the SMT. We can knew that we can short for this. And this one is taking the Asian high. This one is not taking the Asian high. I'll say it's good for that, looking for short. But we're gonna wait for a reaction, wait for the close, and we know that how to do it for that. If I want to buy it, I will buy for this rather than this because this one is taking the Asian high and this one is holding. We're gonna see the SMT as well, right? Oh yeah, we're gonna wait for that basically. This one is tapping to the point of interest as well. But this one, I would say this one still have the possible to flip down. But currently, this one is more bearish, right? We saw that. We saw this level and we saw the 1 hour close bearish on it. 1 hour close bullish for this candle. Although it's half a week, but this one is close bullish. This one is close bearish. I'll say we can looking for short for this. But the aim for the take profit, I'm not gonna aim for too low. Maybe half of that family gap or so on so far, right? So we're gonna wait for the reaction on this basically. Let's see, this one is gonna hit the lower one. Asian high is not taken out right now. 50-minute palm it up to this order block, forming on order block. It seems like it's good for sell. It's good for sold. Daily time frame is good for sold if we saw this candle close and we saw weekly opening high, we can aim for a down close candle for weekly and daily we can looking for that tap into the low as well. It does have a rejection on this low as well basically. We can do that and we saw that swap above the high rejection, tap into that. We can looking for short basically, right? It's no problem for looking short right then because of the lower time frame and higher time frame as well. But this one, we're gonna keep in mind that is more bullish in long term, but in short term, I do think this one is more bearish. See that SMT, we know that, and it doesn't take the Asian high as well. This one is taking the Asian high. So also for we're gonna wait for the reaction. It does tap into this fair value gap and react on it, but it doesn't tap into our order block as well. It doesn't tap into the order block. It's okay for that if it doesn't tap into the order block, but we're gonna wait for reaction on this order block. Wait, let's see the 30-minute, right? 30-minute order block right there. This one, this order block. If good to see this one being close below, should be good for that. 50% should be good looking for short. Say I give the color of red color right there. All right. Oh my god. All right. Yeah. So just delete. Yeah. Do we have any news? I don't think right. As more likely is no news. I think 7. No that go. Yeah, we got a night news, but right now we not. Doesn't have important news for that. Just wait for the reaction. Asian low basically is this low right there. This low, which is the opening low. This one Asian low is below this low, right? Below this low. It's okay to not aim for those low. It's too far away basically. Or the block, it doesn't being tapped inside basically. But I would say, yeah, order block is doesn't being tapped. But we're gonna wait for another order block being close below should be good. Yeah, right there, SMT. It does tap inside this area. No, no, haven't yet. But it's just holding on this order block as well. We got an SMT basically. This order block is holding basically as well. We just left one more thing, which is I gonna wait for a close below to anticipate a change in state of delivery. Alright. Or we can just wait for the close below this week as well. This week, below this week. Should be good. Anticipate a change in state of delivery. Alright. We got I would say let's see the 50 minute, right? We got 5 minute more for the 50 minute close. It's good to see if the 50 minute go to lower, close below this week low. Should be good. It should be good, bro. You can looking short for Geo after that. Oh my god. Alright, nice. This one is breaking the low, I would say. Good for that. Alright, let's see. This break below and close should be good. Looking short should be this level, discount level, and then stops should be above this high right there. Should be good, and take profit should be, oh my god, half of that fair value gap, right? Or this order block should be good. The order block, yeah, this order block should be good. If we gonna aim for a take profit, 1 hour order block should be good. You know, this order block right there. Bullish order block right there. Yep, should be good right there. Bullish order block. But right now we not gonna take the trade yet. Not gonna take the trade yet. We're gonna wait for the reaction for that basically. If it doesn't have the momentum, we not gonna force this trade, right? I wanna see this close below this low. Basically close below the low. Because if it doesn't close below the low, it does anticipate that the price is not willing to go lower. I'll say we can wait again, wait again. It might not be a trade today, but yeah, that's part of the game, baby. Yep, this one seems like a rejection on it. I'll say it is a rejection. I'll say it is a rejection. Yep, yep. Let's go. Let's kind of go, bro. before close we know whether it's a rejection or it's going to be a manipulation to the downside, right? 50 minutes, almost close. Opening what? This one. Opening no bottom, no bottom width. Still have the possibility to go lower. I mean, it can be break below. We're gonna see the 5 minute right now. Still have the possible, but we're gonna see the 5 minute basically. 5 minute low right there. If it does take the low, should be good. Stops just place. I would say, yeah, should be above that high. Just place above this high a bit like that. Yeah, high a bit right there. Yep, yep, good for that. Stops below that. But we're gonna wait for that reaction first, basically. This right there. This low. This low right there. Wait for a close. 5 minute. 5 minute close. And I gonna wait. We're gonna aim for the 1 hour order block low right there, which is this low right there. 4 hour as well, almost a close for that, basically. Let's aim for 1 is to 1.4, risk to reward is not bad. But once again, we're gonna wait for the close. Alright, coming in. Momentum is coming in. If it doesn't close below and this just reject, I will consider to take a buy for this. For this. Consider take a buy for this because this one is taking the agent high. If yes, it taking the low, I will looking for short right there. Alright, alright, alright. Yeah, still have the chance for that. Just wait, just wait. Just wait for this area right there. This for the block right there. 5 minute on the block as well. This one. It doesn't tap inside yet. If it does holding, then it's good for that. It's a good news for that. You know, which means that this one is not willing to take the low. but it doesn't tap inside yet, basically. Yeah, our 5 minute, I think it just gonna be once again holding on this go to the upside. See how this 5 minute react. If it wanna go down, it's not gonna react like that. Alright, good for that. Good for that. It does holding on this basically this breaker right there. Alright, I will take a buy for the EU, but once again I'll manage the risk properly. We do react. This order block is doesn't even being tapped, but it do react on this area. Let's see, we got 1 minute. Yeah, this order block is holding. 1 minute order block is holding is flipped up. Alright. I'll take a buy on this breaker basically. If okay, stops just place below this low. Yeah, just place below the low. And I would say I'll just aim for the, let's see, our high is going to be this high taken up. 30 minute, 50 minute high. Alright, I'll just aim for this high taken up. And break even should be this red line right there. Should be my break even point. Alright, I'll take the trade right now. Alright, I'll take the trade right now. Wait, how to take? Alright. Take the trade right here at this level right there. Stops can be below the swing low. Right. I'll just place below the swing low. How much is it? 1.5, not bad. Right. Take profit just above this. Alright, risking 1% for that trade. Alright. I'll get and buy limit right there, which is the 1 minute. Yeah. I'll say it's a 1 minute level right there basically. And low I just place below the low, the stops. And my break even point is this right there, break even. I'll say this one is my break even. All right. This is my break even point. But once again, I want to see some tap down to this level. If my buy right there, yeah, I think it can be tapped inside as well. All right. We saw the reaction, we knew that, and we placed the order right there. Let's see we got entry right there or not. If not, then it is what it is. But we does do the things that we looking at basically. It's good to see these things flip up, right? Should be good. Stocks just placed below the low, wait for reaction. I think this one is can be entry. I will say it can be entry. It can be entry. Yeah, 1:1.57 risk to reward ratio. Should be good. I'll take EU rather than GU because EU is breaking the high basically. It's good to see EU trade taken rather than GU, and it's holding right holding right there. I take a buy right there basically. Let's see how this buy limit is going to be activate or not. This one is done. I'm not gonna take a shot rather than I will just take a buy basically. This one is making low before that. This one is not making low. It's good to see a buy right there basically. But once again, I want to see some down first and then up. Like, form a big down, a big first, and then get up to the upside. Just place that, and the rest it is what it is. I'm gonna break even basically above the. I'll manage to risk above this high and break even of this high. Just wait for that. All right. The price it doesn't wanna take me in, bro. Doesn't wanna take me in, bro. It's good for that to see that, bro. But yeah, if it doesn't wanna tag me in, then it is what it is because we know our direction, right? Our direction is right already, basically. It's good to see a direction is right. But it's kind of like almost close. We can wait for the close, like close more lower a bit first, and then yeah, should be good. Just aim for the 50-minute and 30-minute high. Is it 1 hour high as well? 1 hour high as well. Aim for the high basically. It's good to see you coming back down. Come on. You see how this, we knew that, bro. This one is more bullish. We knew that. We have the sense on it. Have the sense on it. Which one is more bullish, which one is more bearish. In the sense of, you gotta wait for that, basically. All right. We are almost close. almost gonna close right there. But basically, yeah, I'll wait for the close. Should be good for that. And I wanna see if good, right? I wanna see no no what we call it, no topic form and go lower first. Tap to the upside. Come on, man. No topic form and then get a low and then go to the upside with a wick. That should be the things that I want to see. But if it doesn't happen, then it is what it is, man. Yep, nice. Get down, coming in. Get the fuck down, come on. Get the fuck down right there. Get the fuck down, bro. Bro, the hell? Come on, bro. I want to see my entry being tech. I place my entry basically on the, yeah, this one. Basically, we can just hide a bit this level right there. All right. So that we can more easily being tech right there. There's a 1.5. All right, let's see, bro. Come on, get the fuck down, bro. Go to this level and flip up. Should be good. My stock just placed, I think it's below the 30-minute low. Yeah, it can be tech inside, I think so. I think it can be half the possible to be. Oh my god. Come on. Oh my god. Get the fuck down, bro. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. Come on. This just left few pips more for it. Oh yeah. We're gonna wait for that. We already praised the trade right there already. Should be good for that. I would say it should be good. As long as we manage the risk, should be good. We got S&T just now, I think it's 50-minute, if not 40. Yeah, 50-minute S&T. This one is making low right there. See that? This one is not making low basically. Alright, we just left few pips more for the entry. Just gonna wait for that. Patiently waiting. If the price is not tagging in, I'm not gonna angry or do what emotion things because it does have the level. I just aim for a perfect level entry for that. If it doesn't, then I'll say, yeah, let it go, bro. You know, I just want to be perfection on it, bro. I know there's no perfection, but I just want to be, good for that. Patient on it, patient wait for that. wait for the tagging in entry should be good, all the things should be good. Oh my god, this one is breaking low though. Yeah, this one is breaking a low right there. But this one though, it doesn't, bro. It isn't breaking a low, bro. Haven't breaking a low, I would say. Oh my freaking god. It should be good right there. Once again, my entry 1.4. All right, I think I get an entry right there. All right, I get an entry right there. This one is selling off, bro. This one is dropping right there. But still good for this, I would say. Still good for this. Still good for this. Just holding on it, this one. 1 hour. Let's see the 1 hour candle. Yeah, this one is just rejection, but this one is still have the bullish momentum. 4 hour as well. Still have the bullish momentum for that candle. This one is more bullish on it. I will reduce the risk when the price break above this high. I'll reduce the risk of this level right there, basically. Reduce risk on this level right there. And this one is the level that is holding, right? So yeah, that is what it is. Reduce the risk when this holding on this. I'll break even above the high right there, which is our daily. Yup, right there, basically. Right. 50 minute or 5 minute. Yeah, it does come back down once again. Asian high being break. Yeah, it still have the momentum, I would say. But if it does have a stops, I would say it is what it is. You know, as currently is in drop. It's not 100% right. All the thing is not 100%. Just need to know that, we control our risk. That's all we need. That's all we need, bro. If I would say if GU is gonna break the Asian high, if GU have the momentum to break the Asian high, this one should be good. EU should be good. If this one taking the high, this one should be good to taking the high together, right? Hope to see this taking the Asian high right there, which means that I would say I want to see the candle to flip up to this level, I would say. Yep, should be good. Flip up to this level, which is our Asian high taken up right there. If not, then yeah, it just stops, bro. Just a freaking stops, bro. Yeah. 50% drawdown. Yep, we are in 50% drawdown. It's not good to see a 50-minute opening like that. My freaking God. Yeah, I do think it's going to be stop me out. Yeah, should be good looking shot. Yeah, should be good looking shot right there, basically. Yep. Yep, should be good looking shot. Asian high right there, basically. It doesn't even take out like that. Just tap inside and then rejection. Yeah, should be good looking shot. Yeah, shot is better than a buy. Oh my God. One hour rejection as well. See that? This 1 hour. Oh my freaking God. Yeah, I would say it's not good for that. Should be looking sharp. Should wait for that, bro. Just wait for this close figure. Wait for a close and then take the entry right there. Yeah, should be good. Oh my God. 12 p.m. 12 is like right. Yeah, this one is making high. This one is making low right now. Making low right now. This one is making high. Right? The facts is that this one is more bullish, basically. The facts, but it can be just move lower, stop me out first, and then hit back out. You can do that, or you can just on this level reverse. Can do that. This is good for a shot, basically. Just now, it doesn't wrong and right. It doesn't have wrong and right. It's just possibility. This one is just possibility. It's gonna wait for that. If gonna stop me out, then just stop me out. If go to my TP level, then just go for that. You know, 30-minute close. 30-minute close what? Oh my god, it's a bearish. 50-minute is close bullish. Holding on that. It's not bad. And yeah, I want to see a 1 hour flip up should be good. If this 1 hour flip up, I would say I'm gonna break even. Reduce risk first and then break even. If just flip down, then I'll just, it is what it is. You know what? It depends on this reaction basically. Don't put too many expectation on it. You can just completely reverse. I don't mind it. Can just do that. Just stop me out. The the more expectation you put in the trade, the more emotion you will in the trade. So just not put too many expectation for that. I'll say this one probably is going to be a stops. I just gonna be, yeah, there's gonna be no emotion on this basically. But yeah, cannot rely on yourself, right? It does have emotion, but we're gonna control that. All right, I will close the stream. I think this one is a stops. I just update this trade on my Instagram. I think it's a stop right there. So yeah, I'll go for journal. Let's see what is the wrong, right? What is the wrong? What is the right? That kind of things. I'll say yeah, that's what it is. Yeah, that's